Hello, my name is Corey Luedeman and I'm a Social Security Disability Attorney at RSH Legal. Let's talk today about choosing the right lawyer for your disability claim. You have many different choices when it comes to an attorney, and determining which lawyer is the best lawyer for your disability case can feel like an overwhelming task. There are a few ways that you can narrow down your list. Let's talk about the wrong way to pick a disability attorney, because there are wrong ways to do things such as picking a lawyer. The absolute wrong way to pick a disability attorney is a quick decision based on convenience. One of the most common reasons people pick a certain lawyer is because that lawyer's office isn't too far from their home. Disability law is a very specialized field, and it's unlikely that the best Social Security attorney will be just down the street. Rather than picking the nearest attorney, you should focus your search on the most qualified attorney for your disability claim. In particular, I'd say you should have someone that you feel comfortable with. You need to decide if you would like a national disability law firm to represent you or a local small law firm. There are large national law firms that specialize in Social Security disability claims. Hundreds of applicants hire these firms to handle their cases each year. The trouble with large firms is that you can quickly become a case number or a Social Security number to an attorney instead of a person. A smaller law firm is more likely to know your name and the details of your case. If having a relationship with your attorney is important to you, you may want to consider hiring a smaller law firm to handle your claim. In order to increase your chances of finding an attorney that is qualified and will represent you well, we recommend following a few steps. First, ask your local Social Security office for a list of attorneys that work on disability cases. They should be able to tell you which local attorneys have experience with Social Security cases. They may not be able to recommend only one or tell you which one is the best, however, they can give you a list. Number 2, do an internet search. Searching for the term Iowa Social Security Disability Attorney is a good way to narrow down attorneys that are local to your state. But be careful. Make sure that they are local to your state and near you. Make a list of these attorneys and visit their websites if they have them. If they have written information on Social Security law, download it from their site or call them and ask for it to come to you through the mail. Number 3, speak to family and friends who have had disability attorneys in the past or have one right now. One of the best ways to find a Social Security disability attorney is through word of mouth. If an attorney does a good job for someone, they are likely to spread that attorney's name to others who need it. On the other side of the coin, if a disability lawyer, or any lawyer for that matter, does a bad job for a client, their name is likely to be spread around as well, just not in a good way. A large part of your disability cases come from former clients referring their friends, neighbors, and co-workers to our firm. We consider it a great honor each time someone refers a case to our office. Number 4, meet with each attorney on your list in person, if at all possible. Once you have assembled your list of attorneys, you should call each office and schedule an appointment for a face-to-face meeting with each attorney. It is important that you feel comfortable with the lawyer you decide to hire. If you're not comfortable with your attorney, you may not tell them everything that you need to know about your conditions. That information can be very critical in a case. Choosing an attorney for your disability claim can be a very personal decision. This blog should have given you some tips on how to make that decision a little bit easier. If you still have questions, please feel free to call our office at 1-800-433-0283 or download our free law guide to Social Security disability claims.